question. The last
Janet
point, Jane,
Johnson, does this psychologist help her case?
He helps the case. I also think next week he's going to talk about whether it's premeditated or not. The judge is still deciding whether he can talk about that. I think he's going to say the way the crime scene looked, it wasn't premeditated. But he explains why she's lied so many times. And you need to do that. Her credibility has been shot. He's establishing a reason why her stories have changed twice. And now she's on the third story, which they're trying to sell as the truth. And I think he did a really good job driving home. This is part of her PTSD. She didn't accept it. She didn't lie to get out of it. She lied because she's lying to herself.
Well, Brian Silber, criminal defense attorney, he actually said, oh, she lied because it's part of her denial. I mean, really, isn't that psychobabble? I mean, really, oh, well, I'm not lying. I'm in denial.
We have to understand the whole point of putting this witness on the stand. You know, a trial has many parts, and the role of this person, this expert, is not to explain why she did what she did, but to talk about her psychiatric issues. Later on, it will be the job of her attorneys to tie all these parts together and explain it to a jury in a cohesive case theory. So the fact that he can't sit there and talk about self-defense really is immaterial. This is just one part of the overall trial.
But that's the very nature of the case, is to her to justify why her actions were appropriate and lawful.
And her lawyers will do that in the end.
Then he's a failure with regard to establishing anything that's helpful.
All right, we got to wrap it up right there. Fantastic panel. Thank you for the debate. We know that we're going to be all over the Arias trial when it resumes on Monday. And on the other